Hi, I'm Kevin Wilson. I'm a certified master locksmith with 33 years of experience installing security products for homes and businesses. Today I'd like to give you a live demonstration of a revolutionary new product designed to prevent home invasions and burglaries. It's called the On Guard Security Door Brace. And with that, let's get on to the live demonstration.
1, 2, go! What do you think?
I think we might have to call it a day.
Come on, Nick.
Good.
Am I gonna do this here today?
You can do it. You can do it. All right, let's see what we have. Amazing. Okay, obviously the whole jam system is blown right off the door. If you come around and look over here, you'll see that the jam material where the deadbolt and the actual clasp went into have all been blown out. That's what's down here on the floor. That's all the spare material. So essentially, there is nothing holding this door closed at all. If it wasn't for the On Guard, this door would just swing right on open. In fact, the On Guard held it so well that the door itself actually broke apart and flexed and is bent right around the On Guard itself. Let me see if I can do something here. Let's try this. Let's close it. Let's open it. And obviously, without the On Guard, this family would be in a lot of trouble right now. Just amazing. Without the On Guard, the exact same thing happened. Very interesting, the dynamics of this. It also blew out the jamming system, threw it right across the room here, scattered parts all over the place. But without the On Guard, there's absolutely nothing to hold the door. A couple of kicks from Diesel, and he just came right on through here. That was it. The family would have had no chance to respond at all. Before they knew what was happening, the people would be in. It's really got to be the most cost-effective thing somebody could do to protect their family. The front door is obviously one of the most dangerous, vulnerable spots. Almost 80% of all the break-ins happen through the front door. But with something just this simple and easy to install, it absolutely didn't let anybody come through the door. It's just completely amazing. I can't think of where you could spend less and get more than by purchasing an On Guard.